but the United States government is still unable to explain around 5% of UFO sightings in its archives. Among them is a remarkable 1957 photo taken by a test pilot near Edwards Air Force Base in California, allegedly showing a UFO following a B-47 jet. Another, released by the Aerial Phenomena Group, shows three mysterious lights over the Manhattan skyline, taken in 1984. It was taken by Felipe Argo from New Jersey, and researchers could find no sign of a hoax at the time. UFO was taken in Ward, Colorado, in 1929. This incident happened when Edward Pline was taking photograph of a sawmill for some reason, and, as he was taking the photo, he described a terrible thunderous bellow, and a large round thing, as big as a very large boulder, that moved through the air above them. Searchlights focus on an unidentified object over Los Angeles on February 25, 1942. The bright dots around the flashes are anti-aircraft shells exploding. Taken on New Year's Day in 1939, with an unidentified object appearing in the top left. UFO taken somewhere in the United States on June 10, 1964, and was discovered in an attic a number of years later. In the summer of 1966, a flight official photographed two red spheres over the Swiss airport Zurich-Kloten. The photo was later released by Swiss Air pilot Ferdinand Schmid. Jack LeMond, who served with the United States Marine Corps, was photographed on horseback near the Pickwick Riding Stables in Burbank, California, on a June morning in 1945. A UFO can be seen in the image to the right of the horse's ear. A passenger on a plane from Hong Kong to southwest China claimed to have seen a UFO-like flying object outside the window of the plane in 2012. Four brightly glowing, unidentified objects appeared in the sky at 9:35 a.m. on July 15, 1952, over a parking lot in Salem, Massachusetts. The Lubbock Lights incident was reported August 30, 1951 in Texas. The USAF said that these lights were most likely caused by birds named plovers, whose white breasts could reflect lights from the city below. This image, titled simply, Winter 1951, was taken in New Zealand, while the photographer believed this to be a flying saucer. The USAF concluded that it was in fact a lenticular cloud. The lens-shaped formations are the result of moist air that has condensed at a high altitude. Kenneth Arnold saw 9 UFOs over Mount Rainier on the 24th of June, 1947, and the United States government agencies took an interest in reports. A similar sighting occurred over Tulsa, Oklahoma, on July 12, 1947.